Daily Dems, doing the work, making noise, and fighting back, day 12. I'm gonna put a concerted effort into these videos not being posted this late. We'll see how that goes. I spent most of today working on a new series for all the elections that are taking place on Tuesday. If you live in Oklahoma or Washington, there's a very good chance you have an election. But you might in other states too, so just check your County Board of Elections website. Hakeem Jeffries held his weekly press conference. And you might have seen some clips, but the clips don't do it any justice. He says the word bipartisan a lot, but it's a tactic, not a platform. He says we want to pass bipartisan legislation, as long as that legislation supports immigrants, and better health care, and the middle class, and lowering costs. It's also worth mentioning he was on the Weekly Show with Jon Stewart yesterday. And there are a few really standout moments, especially when he talks about our power. A bunch of Democratic members of Congress went to the Department of Education, and they were kept out by armed and unarmed guards. But fighters like Gwen Moore of Wisconsin 4 did everything she could to get inside. This video shows it even more powerfully. Greg Cesar of Texas 35 is in this one too. Maxwell Frost of Florida 10 also had a fantastic video on what happened. Mike Thompson of California 4 has a weekly series called Fact Check Friday. And I love the fact that even though he's a California congressman, today's fact check was about North Carolina. The DNC has a new series, What Democrats Did Today. That sounds familiar. No, I'm joking. I don't think this has anything to do with me, and I am so glad they're doing this. And finally, Rep. Hillary Skolton, Michigan 3, Jerry Connerly, Virginia 11, Dave Min, California 47, Kwesi Mfume, Maryland 7, introduced the CLEAR Act, Consistent Legal Expectations and Access to Records, which would hold Musk and his freshman 15 accountable to the American taxpayer. As always, this is not likely to pass, but it's building a dossier of sorts. It will help win elections, especially when it comes to opposition ads, help with court cases, and of course it's helping boost morale already. And that all does matter. And who knows, maybe Republicans will actually grow a backbone and it will pass. Stranger things have happened in this world. So I hope this showed you, no matter what you are hearing, that Democrats are doing the work. That every call you make, protest you attend, and office you visit makes our fighters stronger. Your voice is your superpower, but only when you use it.